Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is June 11th. It is 7:05. Thought I'd go for a ride. It's not bad. It's like 80, maybe 82 degrees. This is 84, but I think this thing's always reading high. So I'm going to go to Walmart and get some liquid wrench. I changed the blades on my bad boy, and boy, I tell you what, I bought a new jack at Harbor Freight. It's like a lawnmower jack. You can put it underneath the front wheels and you jack it up. And I got underneath there. I bought a air impact wrench, but it's it's 3/8 of an inch, and the 15/16 I have is 1/2. So I bought an adapter goes from 3/8 to 1/2, so I could use the air. I have an electric one too. That's what I used, the impact, to bust them loose. But I had to spray it with a liquid wrench, and then they came right off. But boy, I was sitting there, it's like crazy trying to get the one off. It wouldn't quite come off. So they're tight, so I didn't tighten it up. I just hand tightened it with a ratchet. I didn't air impact it tight. And I mowed. Oh God, I mowed yesterday, and new blades worked good, and they didn't come loose. So I got several extra blades. I took the mulching blades off and resharpened them. I bought another air. I got a good air compressor, so I bought another air to kind of, sand the 80 grit wheel of sandpaper. Wow, gas went back up. 305 dirt bags. It was 271 or 272 the other day. We'll see a holiday coming up. Is there a holiday coming up? But anyway, I put the new blades on the bad boy, and it works good. Cuts really smooth, cuts really even. The other ones did too, but I had one of them that was a little dull, so I resharpened those, and I'll put those back on someday. But I got another pair that's brand new, that's never been put on. It's not mulching, it's just a regular blades. So those have never been put on. So I'll put those on next, and then I'll sharpen the other ones, and I keep them sharp. And these roads are a mess. I know some people made a comment that I'm zigzagging, but I'm dodging potholes and just dodging bad road. I'm really not zigzagging. I'm trying to miss holes. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, hello there again, you two. I stopped at Walmart and got some WD-40 silicone. So I could, I got some, like, groove or lube my cables, that kind of stuff, and I've used WD-40 for it, and it works fine. But I actually bought it for the mower to spray up in there to loosen it up. They had the silicone. I guess that'll work. But it's so strange. I had to pull into Walmart on this, and the lady come up to me, started talking to me, and she laid some kind of thing on my trunk, and she wanted money. She wanted food. Well, I go, well, what do you need? She goes, oh, I just want a gift card. Well, so I'm in a hurry. I'm not going to get you a gift card. So I just ran in there and got some, I'd have bought her some food, but she didn't want that. She said she was from Ukraine, but she was, look Indian to me. Ukraine, I thought they were, I don't know, I guess I thought they were more white. And she wasn't. She was, can hardly understand her though. It's pretty nice. nice out. Bye.